Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the videos. This video is another in the post, and this is in the post number 28. A quick cheer of hey, yay! At last we have the commemorative set for 2023. Today's the 11th of March and I have finally got it. It came in the post yesterday afternoon. This morning, the morning of the 11th. I had to sign for it. I am so happy to finally have got this set. I will be doing a review in the very near future about that set. That's the first one for this in the post series. Second, coins. This one here was an unexpected one in the sense that it wasn't part of the annual set and it wasn't listed for a coin to be released. There was a bullion version of this coin as part of the Icon series. Let me just go down. Now, last year in 2022, with a portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, this one having a portrait of His Majesty King Charles III, this £5 coin was issued. This coin has been issued as a £5 coin. If you collect bullion at all, you would have seen my video, hopefully, of this being released as a £2 1 ounce silver coin with Elizabeth II's portrait on it last year as part of the Icon series, and this one is King Arthur. It's been issued onto a £5 coin and released into the general collector area. I wasn't expecting this. I hadn't seen anything about this being issued as a new coin, so I was quite surprised but still delighted. So we now have a King Arthur. I wonder if they're going to bring out the whole of the myths and legends, the ones from previous years, and whether they'll release those as a £5 coin as well over the next couple of years. So that's the second thing from this year. Third one, we have here a €2 coin from the Netherlands, and it is the 2011 original. This year, 2022, saw the 30th anniversary of the Erasmus project. This one was the original 2011 €2 coin from the Netherlands that shows Erasmus. So this, I do have the most modern Erasmus coin, which has been released as a general circulating coin that all 23 countries that are currently, all the countries that are part of the Euro scheme are asked to release this coin. You can still, like Germany and France or whoever, you can bring your own commemorative coins out that are to do with your country and what you want to celebrate in your country. But they also have the ones where they had all the people that are in the Euro do a commemorative coin. And this one was last year's, was the Erasmus. As I say, this one's the original one. I have done the 2022 Erasmus coin. I think the one I had was from Latvia. I have a second €2 coin to show you, and this one is the UNICEF one, I think. 75 years of UNICEF, is it? Yeah, this is there's a 75 years of UNICEF. I don't know whether this one was from France only. I haven't finished my research off, so when I show this coin, I'll give you all the information about whether it was just France or whether every country in the Euro celebrated this particular coin. Next one I want to show you. Yay! Here we have the latest Strike Your Own. With huge thanks to my friend Bo Selector. He got me the coin because I'm not able to get down to the Royal Mint experience. I do have a problem with severe arthritis, so I can't stand for any period or walk any great distance. I can walk slightly but not very great distance, so therefore getting down to the Mint, going around the exhibition and the experience, I would need to be in a wheelchair to do that, or some sort of vehicle to, you know, like the scooters, the disability scooters. So with huge thanks to him, I have the latest Strike Your Own Dumbledore. I will of course be doing a review on that in the very near future as well. We have a couple of other things. Ah yes, we have, I saw these on sale and I thought it's unusual. I am trying to do a collection, not for any religious reasons, but there's such a small state that finding coins from this particular country, and it is a country in its own right, is difficult. These are two 100 lira coins from 1955 and 1962 that show two different popes on the back of the coins. They're both commemorative 100 lira coins from what I can make out. Again, I haven't finished my research on this. I'm just showing that I have the coins, and I will be doing a video about them fairly shortly. As I say, I'm not a Catholic and I'm not an overly religious person. However, as a coin collector, having something from such a small microstate, I believe they're called, as far as the Euro coins are concerned, having coins from that particular era, particularly the older coins, is something special. Now, I saw this coin on a channel, I can't remember whose it was, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. It is a chrysanthemum 50 yen coin. It is hold. There are several years that this coin came out over. I have just one of them at the moment. I am looking at trying to get others. But again, I'm going to be doing a full review of that at a later time. We have three older coins in two sets as the last two items. We have two Spanish coins from the mid 1800s. I think one was 1844 and the other one's 1888. These are coins from the reign of Isabella II. They are brass coins or London coins, brass coins or the equivalent copper type coins. Low value but quite rare. So I will be doing those. I may find out that these are, because they're a little bit cheaper, the cheaper end of the Isabella II's coins, that there may well be more minted than I realise. And lastly, I have a bit of silver, and it's one that I've not seen before. It is a Victorian florin, but the difference with this one is, if I just go down a little bit, This particular florin only has 3 shields. It has the shield of Ireland, England and Scotland on it. It's dated 1893. It has the veiled head portrait. However, I will be doing a full description of this coin in a later video. So we have the Victoria florin. We have the coin from Japan, 50 yen from Japan, which is hold and is a chrysanthemum knit, 50 yen. We have the 2 coins from Isabella's reign in Spain, Isabella II. We have 2 coins from the Vatican City. We have the latest £5 issue, which is the King Arthur Icon series. We have 2 €2 coins, one from the Netherlands and one from France. We have the Dumbledore Strike Your Own. And finally in this one we have the Royal Mint 2023 commemorative set. This is a slightly more busy in the post bag compared to perhaps the last one, but a lot more of the coins that I'd ordered and had come through. As you can see from the 3 lots of coins, the 3 lots of in the post, I do have a lot of stuff to do. I think in total, there's it. In total, I think I've got around about 56, 57 videos with stuff that I need to record, including the 3 in the posts. There's a big mixture there, and it's going to take me a while to get through them. That's along with the 30 odd videos I already have recorded. It means so I'm going to have a few videos. I'm not going to say I'm going to be able to record all of them before we meet up again in the next in the post. I'm sure I won't be, but I'm going to have good fun, and hopefully that will come across in the videos for you guys in the future. I have been having a quick look at the stats from the videos, and approximately over half of you who are viewing the videos aren't actually subscribed. Now, if you're a returner and you're part of that 50% or so that are not yet subscribed, if you're enjoying the videos, could you please at least think about whether I deserve your subscription? And if I do, I would love to have you along as a subscriber in the future. I will be doing not just coins and banknotes, I'll also be doing some militaria and some collectible stuff from other areas of interest to myself. In the meantime, I am aiming for up to 250 subscribers by the end of this year. At the beginning of this year, I just reached 100 in the December of last year. And we're now on the 11th of March when I'm recording this, and I have 150 subscribers so far. I'd like to try and get to 250 by the end of the year. I know it's a very steep ask, but with your help I will get there. And so until we meet up again, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.